Thank you. I don't think you stopped. I think you're way up my butt, too.
North is slow for about a mile and a half, approaching 128 in Canton. Westbound, some pockets out by 290. And speaking of 290 on the westbound...
Do you mind? That's not a lane, dummy. It's a merge lane. And maybe this Nissan will get the frig out of it. Duh! See who's in the wrong lane. I think that got a sort of exit tied by the Toyota. Let's come on. 2, 3 up the wrong lane. 4 up in the wrong lane. Are you gonna let me in? Jesus. Thanks, you prick. Motherfucker! Yes, try not to hit me, dear. Yes, she's in the car alone with the mask on. Yes, she's driving a Toyota. Stop! Stop, 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 stop. Looking close. Oh, a little faster, lady, a little faster, a little faster. Guess it's not in stop. I don't think you stopped either. Stop again. No. Nashville. Na, 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 na. Here's something you've never seen before. That is a drive-up ATM. Putt, 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 putt. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? What are we doing here? What are you doing? You're exit regretting. I don't know. Technically they're both exits, but whatever. Shut up, you high beams, you bastard! going right? I don't think she's going right. I think she just friggin' blew off. Yeah, she went straight, and so did that asshole. Guess who's going straight? Guess who's going straight? Feel it, really do. See, you son of a... I knew you'd do that, you son of a bitch in Toyota. Are you gonna run the stop, you scumbag? That was not a stop. And here he goes. Blow right through it. Scumbag. And a threefer. Am I gonna be the only one who fucking stops here or what? I don't know what stopped.